everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. Today I am super excited to share with you what I got in my Spring Fab Fit Fun box. So I wanted to review this as a Mother's Day gift idea. Now I am not affiliated or being sponsored by FabFitFun, and as always, I am going to give you my honest thoughts and reviews. So what is FabFitFun? It is a seasonal subscription box that you can get for $49.99 plus tax each season. And what you'll receive in your box is a variety of full-size products in beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness. On top of that, with your membership, you will also have access to add-ons, an edit sale, exclusive offers, the FabFitFun shop, and you get to be a part of the FabFit community where you can chat and network with other members. Now, you can get started and save $10 off your first box when you use my referral link in the description box down below. Now, as I stated, I am not affiliated or being sponsored, but if you do use my referral link, I will receive a FabFitFun credit that I can use towards a future purchase, which I would greatly appreciate, especially if I'm planning on keeping this subscription. Well, now that we know what FabFitFun is, let's see if this would be a great Mother's Day gift for the women in your life. So my mom has a FabFitFun membership, and she actually sent me a starter box, which you actually can see what I got over on my TikTok page as well as Instagram. Now, if you are not already, I do highly recommend that you go and follow me over on my TikTok and Instagram pages, because there you can enjoy more tips, reviews, tutorials, as well as get sneak peeks at my life behind the scenes. Now, I will say that I did like the products that I got in my starter box, so I really am excited to see what's in here. As you can see, I have not opened it. It is still sealed, so you're going to be seeing my real honest first impressions. So let's get into it. So this is what it looks like, and I just opened it. Here are some stickers, which I know my 4-year-old is going to love. And then it comes with this little magazine, which I did receive a starter version, I guess you would call it, in my starter box. So what it does is it kind of goes over all the products that you could get, goes over what you could enjoy with your membership, and it just kind of goes over a variety of other helpful information and articles that you can use with your spring box. Like, it has some yoga and with some recipes. Like, it's just a very fun little magazine. So I'm going to look forward to looking at this and checking this out later. Now let's get into the box. So the first item I got is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. So on the back of it, it says exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes that work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. I'm actually looking forward to trying this out. Now, if you watched my transition to spring and summer skincare routine video, then you will know that using the fruit enzymes in your exfoliator is the way to go. So this is going to be very fun in trying out. Great first start. So the next item is a gift card for 13 free meals with HelloFresh. I am super excited about this. I've heard some incredible things about this brand, and I know there are a few other YouTubers that actually use HelloFresh, and they like recommend these all the time. And I've always wanted to try them out, but they were just kind of more on the expensive end for me. So I am really looking forward to being able to try this out for free and seeing what the hype is all about. Oh, this is awesome. So the next item I got is Tech Candy UV Sanitizer. It's a disinfectant for your phone. This is a great item to have, especially now with everything. I mean, let's be honest, how many times do we wipe down and clean our phones? Definitely, I am guilty of not cleaning it as much as I should. So this is going to make it so much easier to do. So it says that it kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes. It emits radiation at 254 nm UVC, a level shown in scientific research to be effective against certain viruses and bacteria. The UVC lights, UVC technology is widely used to kill bacteria and other microorganisms. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, I love the color too. This is going to look so nice next to my bed on my end table. It actually kind of goes with my new comforter I got for my spring summer. So that will be looking nice. So it just looks like. It comes with a cord to plug in and an instruction manual. Ooh, I'm looking forward to trying this out tonight. Between the 3 items that I got, I'm already over $100. And it's just 3 of the items. I still have a whole bunch more to go through. Oh my God. Michael Kors. Oh my God! A Michael Kors wallet. Oh my God. Oh. I do not own anything Michael Kors. That is way beyond my budget. Oh my God. Oh, my first Michael Kors item, and I got it in a Fab Fit Fun box. Oh my God. Thank you, Fab Fit Fun. Ooh, Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Now, I know I like this. This is actually one of my favorite brow gels. I only use 2 clear brow gels. The Maybelline Brow Sculpt and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I got a full-size one. I always pick up one of the mini ones because they're so freaking expensive. So now I got a full-size one. Yay! Yay! I already know I love this. I have not come across a product yet that I do not like. I think this is like the first. And of course, I had to ruin my luck. Now, there's a reason why. So, it's the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And the reason why I'm like, is because I got these in my starter box. Now, I haven't had a chance yet to try them out, so I might be actually very excited that I got a second box, because I actually love Wander Beauty. I've gotten their brow pencils, which is actually my go-to brow pencil now. That's pretty much the only brow pencil I use. And their eyeliners, love, 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 love. I might pass this along if I don't end up liking them. To be honest, I highly doubt it because, like I said, I have not come across a Wander Beauty product yet that I do not like. So next is Nails Inc. Be Your Incredible Self Nail Polish in Mayfair Lane. Now, I typically don't wear nail polish on my nails, but this actually looks like a very pretty color to put on my toenails in the spring and summertime. And I usually do wear pink or red on my toes. And I don't think I have anything like this shade. So this will be a very nice color to add to my collection. Thank you. So we just got 2 more items. The next one is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So this is formulated with biotin, vitamin B and C, and UV blockers. This lightweight detangler protects hair from heat and preps hair for optimal performance of styling products. And this is from Drybar. I've actually heard some incredible things about this brand, so I'm really interested in trying this out. And I will have to say, I am loving this packaging. Oh my God, the color of it is so my jam. I am loving it. It's got like a pinkish peach orange look to it. Love it. So last but not least is, ooh, a curling iron. So this is the Foxy Bay No Fox Given Rose Gold 25mm curling wand. Ooh, this is really nice. So this wand is perfect for the effortless beach wave or glam curls with voluminous dimension. This baby is made with our special rose gold tourmaline infused ceramic that increases shine and reduces frizz with 100% more negative ions. The gentle nature of this gemstone helps prevent damage and promote your hair's overall health. Turn heads and break necks all day, every day with our must Insta-worthy wand yet. So according to the benefits here, it says shine, moisture, faster styling, healthier hair, smooth finish, and ease of use. What I'm looking forward to using this with is the beach wave look. Now I did straighten my hair today, but normally it's wavy, but not like a nice beachy wavy. It's like crazy wavy. So I am interested to see how it will turn out. Another reason why you need to go follow me over on TikTok and Instagram, because that is where you're going to be able to see me using all these products. Well, that is everything I got in my Spring Fab Fit Fun box. And I have to say, I love it. I loved it, loved it, loved it. So my 2 favorite products, I would have to say, is going to be obviously the Michael Kors wallet and the HelloFresh gift card. These 2, yes, were definitely what makes this box so worth it. I am just so happy that I got these 2 items. The 2 items I would say, I guess, were my least favorite would be the Wander Beauty eye masks and the nail polish. Now, the only reason why with the mask is, like I said, I got these in my starter box, so that's the only reason why it's the least favorite, because I already have it from them. And with the pink nail polish, like I said, I don't normally paint my nails, and yes, this is a shade that I do wear on my toes, but there's like 2 or 3 shades that I normally rock all year round, and I wasn't really looking to add to my nail polish collection, so this is the only reason why. It's kind of like, yeah, I like the color, but it's not really something I'm excited for, I guess, in a sense. At least compared to everything else I got. Now, the big question is, do I think that getting a FabFitFun subscription box is going to be a great Mother's Day gift? And I would have to say a big fat yes! Yes, 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 yes. I highly recommend giving this to your mom, your stepmom, your aunt, friend, your wife, any woman in your life that you're looking for a present to give for Mother's Day, I highly recommend getting them a Fab Fit Fun subscription. I just think this is a great way to show them that you're thinking of them and that you appreciate them. Now, if you are going to get yourself this for Mother's Day, I still think you deserve it, girl. Let's face it, us moms, we do not go and spoil ourselves or do anything for ourselves, or at least not until last. So yes, go and treat yourself for Mother's Day. Heck, do it 4 times a year. Do it all year round. Now, just an FYI, they do have an annual subscription option that you can choose for $179.99 plus tax. So you would just pay that and then you would be all set for a year. Plus, you'll be able to save $20. Well, now it's your turn. What do you think of having a Fab Fit Fun box for Mother's Day? If you already do receive a Fab Fit Fun box, what did you get in your spring box? Let us know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you would like me to unbox a Fab Fit Fun box every season. To be honest, I'm probably planning on continuing my subscription, whether I do unboxings or not. So just let me know if you want to see what I get. Now, if you did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that like button. This helps me know whether or not you enjoyed yourself. And if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join us here on my channel where you can share your passion for all things beauty. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.